you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the journal junk box for October. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so the journal junk box for October just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, if you know, you know, I'm absolutely loving this box because I love stationery, I love scrapbooking, stickers, stamps. I love all of that, and I have ever since I've been a child. So this really excites me because I love seeing the new themes. They stick to the themes, to the colors, that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and see what October brings when we open her up. I can, there we go. Oh, we have the Junk Sak in here as well. Sometimes I do send the Junk Sak Mini so you can see the difference between them. So it's super neat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish showing you the full size box, and then we'll dive into the mini and you can see what the difference is. Just in case you want a little dabble in here, but you don't want to go to the straight full box, you can definitely get the mini and still enjoy a lot of amazing products. So again, here is the first of the journal junk box, and then this month it says October awareness is power. So this month is going to be themed, I would think, with pink for breast cancer awareness, and that is amazing. On the back of this card, it will give you the products that are inside and the value, and it does say that the October journal prompts for week 1: what are 3 things I can do to improve my physical health? Week 2: what is 1 habit I'd like to start? Week 3: what friend or family member needs my support right now, and how can I support them? That's awesome. Number 4: what am I grateful for in my day-to-day life? All of those are amazing for every single week, especially your physical health. We always need to make sure we're taking care of ourselves because at the end of the day, we're the only ones that can. So definitely take care of you first. You need to. If you're not, start. Even a little bit of progress is definitely progress. So here is that. And then you have this right here, which will go over their social media, the journal junk box. And then it says, hey, journal babe. That is a really great theme for this month. Let's hear it for the girls. So when you kind of get a little sneak peek in there. So let me put my card out so we can go over that, to go over the pricing as I pull things out. Oh, this is Pink Cadillac's mix of fruit flavored gummies. Oh my gosh. And they're literally like pink Cadillacs. There's strawberry, cherry, and a black currant flavor. And the little, look at the little, the vehicles. That is so cute. I've never seen this before. Pink Cadillac berry flavored gummies, gluten-free, non-GMO, valued for $6.50. Pink starting off already amazing. All right, now we have is a little pink bag. It has little hearts on it. And it looks like we're going to have a pink pin for this month. Yes, that is super pretty. I love that color. It's nice and soft and sleek. It does have gold, but it's not like a bright, huge yellow gold. So it is very pretty. It has that little design on the top. And there's that. Let's see what color she writes. Black. It is a black ink pen. So this right here, it says Bruno Visconti. And this right here is valued at $5.99 for this pink. It's so soft. That feels nice in my hand too. I like that. That is really soft. So you have that, and again, valued for $5.99. Now we have, it says, this is us. The world needs what you got. It is a pin. It says, what you got lapel pin by Paper House. Gold Mine and Cocoa, $8. Great for clothing, bags, craft projects, and more. Again, valued for $8. And it does have the clasp right there on the back to hold it on. So you do have that pin, and again, it's pink. Now we have is, ooh, okay, this is really nice. We have some breast cancer awareness socks. This is good, especially to wear for this month. On the back of them, it does say suggested retail value is $6. Hope, love, Fight Breast Cancer Awareness Socks by MEMOI. And yep, they are valued at $6. So let's get these open so you can see the whole thing. And it's cute how it has like a little bow right here that you could probably take off and use for something else if you wanted to. There we go. That's super cute. Hope, fight, love. That is super cute. So you have that definitely to show your support for this month for sure. That is awesome. Now we have is, ooh, this is more of like a peachy color, not a pink. It would have been nice if it followed the same theme with like an actual pink, but it's like a peachy pink. So I guess there's that. It is a pencil organizer. So you have a pocket here. It has scissors to match the same peachy color right there. So this right here is by YOOBI. You have another little zipper back here to put things in, and then the main opening. And then when you open it up, it has a pouch here, one here, and one, oh, there's two little ones here on both sides. This one's all the way open, and this one has like a little divider in the middle. So you have all those pockets inside. You have a zipper pocket on the outside and another little pocket here that you can store anything in. It doesn't have to be for pencils. Even if you had like, I don't know, you had some things like for craft, or you had some tools or something you wanted to store in here, you can store anything in here. It does not have to be pencils. So I do like that. This here says 2 zipper pencil case and organizer, valued at $10.99. And then the matching scissors from the same brand. This is scissors with grid. Oh, it does. It has like a little grid pattern on the actual scissors. I'm like, with grid, with a grid blade, the same brand right here. And this is valued for $9.99. So there is both of those. Again, my only thing is I wish it was more of a pink color to match with everything for this month, but it's a peach. Now let's see what else is inside of here. So this one says a thank you. It looks like we're going to have a thank you card. Definitely has a lot of pink, and it has even like a little seal to put on the envelope. This says Pink Flowers and Glitter Thank You Card by Crafty. And it's valued for $4.99. Interior greeting says, words are not enough to, get the little sticker off, hold on. Words are not enough to express how much I appreciate you. So it's not all blank inside. It does have those words inside of this thank you card. So there's that. You can use that for anybody that you want to say thank you to show your appreciation to. Now we have is, ooh, and this is really nice, especially for this month. This is a 3D breast cancer awareness stickers by Paper House, valued for $4.99. It's really nice. And it does say 3D because they pop out. They, like you can see it from there, but they do kind of pop out a little bit. That's why they're called a 3D. But that is what we have there. And then now we have the journal left, and this is more of like a peachy pink kind of color too. So maybe that's why they tossed these in here, so everything kind of matched. It all kind of matches. It's just, again, it's not a pink, but it's a 2023 planner, 18 months, July 2022 to December 2023. It has weeks and monthly grids, note pages, year in rear. Sounds weird. Reference pages, 2 pages of gold foil stickers. And it says, take a breath, go outside, laugh loudly, drink some water, tell someone you love them, 2023. So this right here says 18-month vegan leather planner by Crafty. This is valued for $17.99. There's the name of the company. Craphique. And there is that. That is really, really neat. And I'm so glad that they did go with the breast cancer theme. A lot of companies don't really do that. They just go more with, like, you know, fall Halloween theme. So I do appreciate that they took that into consideration and they did the whole like pinky peach type theme around it. So for a quick recap for the full box, you have this vegan leather next year 2023 planner, but it will start obviously right now because it says it started in July of this year. You have a pencil pouch or any type of a pouch. You have a pair of scissors. You have a sticker sheet, a thank you card, a pair of socks. You have a pen and a pin, two different types of pins. And you have a thing of candy. All right, you guys. So that is everything for the full-size journal junk box for October 2022. Now let's go ahead and dive into the journal Junk Sak Mini. And then everything is normally, yep, down inside of this little bubble wrapped envelope, nice and secure and safe and sound. And then when we pull this one out, this one will give you a card to go over their social media, but you do not get a card that goes over the value for this particular box. So this is the Junk Sak Mini. And this month we have, it says, there is such a thing as a sacred idleness. Sometimes when they have like these really pretty fonts, it's hard for me to read it, but that's what that side looks like. And then there is the back side. For this one, you do have this set of sheets. It says it's 104 piece, life organized by Paper House. And it just has all of these little leaves and flowers all on it. So it looks like it's going to be this page and then one other page on the back, totaling 104 of these little tiny stickers. And then we have a pin for this one. It says it's a tassel pin in coral. It does have two little tassels on the top. Let me remove this so you can see it better. So it has these two little tassels. One is green and one is pink. And then it just has like all these like dots, irregular shaped dots all over it. And it's a clicky pin. This one, let's see what color it writes. Black in color. So it has a black ink pen and it does have the pink on it. Again, going with the theme. Now it says, live life one day at a time. So this one looks like it is a breast cancer theme card. And it just says, in honor of all of your strength and inspiration. So you have this card, and it doesn't say like there's anything on the inside, so it's probably just a plain card on the inside. So you have that card, and then the journal, it says, let's make today beautiful. So it's not like a yearly calendar, it's just like a normal blank journal inside, and that's what this one looks like. So this one with this bright pink, it definitely does match like this bright pink thing here, and then you just have like this small set of stickers, and then you have this card and then this greeting card to reuse. So that is everything for the journal Junk Sak. All right, you guys. So that is everything for the two. What did you think of the full size versus the journal Junk Sak? What do you think of the difference between them? Does one stand out better than the other one for you? Let me know what you thought about it. If you would like some more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that'll get you 15% off if you are interested in purchasing. Journals, cute office supplies, and so much more you'll adore. Because you deserve it. Journaling is known to be therapeutic and good for the soul. Pamper yourself and relax and unwind with a monthly dose of surprise journals, stationery, pretty office things, and a special gift just for you. So if you wanted to do the journal Junk Sak Mini, this one here, if you do it monthly, it's $27.95. 6 months will bring it down to $25.95, and 12 months will bring it down to $23.95. If you want to do the full size, that one is $52.99 monthly. The 6 month will bring it down to $47.95, and 12 months will bring it down to $44.95 per box. Shipping is in addition to the monthly single boxes. And the last time I saw, it was $7.95 for the Junk Sak and $10.95 for the full size shipped to US residents. If you wanted to bundle these together and get both of them, you can do the Junk Box and Sak Bundle. That one is $71.95, and you can cancel it at any time. And they do also have an online shop where you can go and purchase individual items if you don't want to jump straight to a subscription, but you wanted to get some things for you or some gift ideas, stocking stuffers, something like that. You can definitely shop their shop without having a subscription. So that is everything that I have to show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. out.